Hello, I'm Atri Sharma, and today I'll provide a brief overview of Spec27 and guide you through a starter example. So Spec27 is a specification-driven agent testing platform, and it lets users connect any agent and test them in a repeatable, spec-driven manner. So when you might first open the platform, there's likely to be no projects or agents, so let's quickly do that. There's a starter project bundled with the website, which can be opened through the registry. We can call this starter project PS1, called parcel ship 1. And essentially, this is just connecting a dummy agent, which provides package and parcel status. Users can essentially ask this agent for their parcel status, and the agent will inform them if it's ready for pickup, and if it is ready, then also provide them with a code after authenticating them. So before proceeding, let me just quickly show you how we can connect agents to Spec27. This is essentially done through a JavaScript sandbox framework that essentially allows users to connect any agent that they might choose, and no access to the internals is required. This connection is done through a REST API, and the platform also includes integrations such as LangGraph, OpenAI ChatKit, AWS Bedrock, and many more. You can also write custom code in JavaScript to connect to your agent, such as we have done here for our dummy agent. Once the agent is defined, the next step is to essentially create a specification. A specification is essentially a series of examples that an agent is tested against. So this is an example of a specification which basically describes some input-output pairs. So here we can essentially see some example questions as well as answers. A specification includes some natural user queries. So basically these are just some clean questions and answers. And it also includes some kind of variations or perturbations. So for example, here, these variants are persona modified versions of the original queries. Once the specification has been created, it can be run against an agent. When we attach a specification to an agent, it essentially becomes an eval, and this eval can be run to obtain results. Now that the run is complete, we can essentially view the results of the agent against the specification. We essentially report two results. The first is clean accuracy, which basically indicates the performance on the clean or the standard dataset, which has been configured in the specification. And we also report robust accuracy, which essentially shows the accuracy against the perturbed variations. We can essentially dive a little deeper into the per example results. So here we can essentially see that the primary data point is classified correctly. However, there is one data point when it is modified by the persona variant, basically fails. And we can essentially view the result of this, where we can essentially see that even though the user provides the correct phone number, the agent is still asking for the phone number instead of giving the code as expected. So this is how you can use the Spec27 platform to test agents. You can learn more about the platform and try it out for yourself on the website spec27.ai. Looking forward to seeing what you'll try.